In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an engaging loyalty program using your Wix dashboard to encourage customer engagement and repeat business. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully customized program to reward your customers for their loyalty and purchases. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by accessing your dashboard. Once you're there, locate the Loyalty Program option. Clicking on this will open up the module specifically designed for managing your customer loyalty initiatives. You should see a button labeled Start Now. Go ahead and click on it to initiate the setup process. You'll need to begin by giving your loyalty program a distinctive and easy-to-remember name. This is your chance to be creative. But make sure it aligns with your brand and is enticing to your customers. Once you have the perfect name, move on to the next step, choosing a name and an icon for your loyalty points. This detail helps provide a unique identity to your points system, reinforcing your brand's image and making it more memorable to customers. Once you've decided on these elements, click on Continue to Setup or simply Next to proceed. Now, you'll find yourself in the setup area, a crucial part of your loyalty program where you decide how customers will earn and accumulate points. You have several options to consider. Customers can earn points by signing up for your site, making a purchase through Wix stores, restaurants, and bookings, booking an appointment via Wix Bookings, or placing an order through Wix online programs. Review these options carefully and select the actions that make the most sense for your business model and customer base. Now that you've chosen the eligible actions, it's time to assign a specific number of points for each of these actions. Take some time to think about what might be meaningful and motivating for your customers, while also ensuring it's sustainable for your business. After setting up the points system, direct your attention to the Rewards section. Here you'll see an option to create new reward or edit an existing one. If you're creating a new reward, select Create New Reward. Next, choose a coupon from the drop-down list that you'd like to offer as a reward. This could be a percentage discount, a fixed amount off, or another enticing offer relevant to your store. The final detail is to set the number of points a customer will need to redeem this reward and give this reward a name. Like earlier, make sure the name is appealing and clear about what it offers. When you're satisfied with all your entries, click Save to finalize your loyalty program setup. By following these steps, you've just created a loyalty program designed to delight your customers and encourage repeat visits and purchases. Thanks for watching, and here's to rewarding your loyal customers.